Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Facebook Marketplace. Buy and sell items locally step by step clearly. Open the Facebook app on your phone or go to Facebook. Come on your computer. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so pages load correctly. If you already have a Facebook account, tap or click log in on the first screen. Enter your email address or phone number in the first field. Enter your Facebook password in the password field. Tap or click log in and wait for your news feed to appear. If you forgot your password, select Forgotten Password and follow the reset instructions. If you do not have an account, choose Create New Account and complete the sign-up form. After logging in, confirm your account if Facebook asks for a code or security check. On the mobile app, tap the menu icon to open the main navigation. On a computer, look at the left side menu on the Facebook homepage. Find the Marketplace icon that looks like a small storefront. Tap or click Marketplace to open it. If you do not see Marketplace, tap See More or search for Marketplace in the search bar. Allow location access when prompted so Facebook can show items near you. Set your city or zip code manually if location access is turned off. Choose a search radius to control how far away listings can be. Select a category like electronics, home, or vehicles to browse faster. Use the search bar in Marketplace to look for a specific item. Apply filters such as price range, condition, and delivery or pickup options. Tap a listing to view photos, description, and seller details. To message a seller, tap Message and write a clear question or offer. To sell an item, tap Sell or create new listing in Marketplace. Choose the listing type such as item for sale, vehicle, or property for rent. Upload clear photos taken in good lighting and from multiple angles. Enter a title, price, category, condition, and an honest description. Select your location. Choose pickup or delivery preferences, and publish the listing. Check your Marketplace inbox regularly and meet in a safe public place for local pickups. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.